Guess what time it is?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Smashing time.
It's smashing time. And, of course, George behind the Sons of Anarchy ball cap and Sons of Anarchy shirt. And Joey Yoakum.
Behind the Angry Bird shirt.
That's right. We're getting ready to smash a couple of microwaves, and I hope you guys really enjoy, because I know we are. The glass is going to fly. And also, thank you, Vince Hopper. You are an awesome neighbor and friend. You decided to, clean out your closet and give us a couple of shitty-ass microwaves to destroy. So anyways, let's get to smashing.
Yeah. Well, we're lighting up the chuck.
Mine's lighting, I think they're lighting up the chuck. So you chuck yours and then I'll chuck mine.
We'll throw it white.
Yeah, you throw the white one. We're gonna chuck the shit out of it. Here goes Joey.
The baseball bat, of course.
Well, we'll get the baseball bat here in a second after you. Yeah, there you go. Joey, he's a prepared hit guy. Here, let me have the baseball bat, so you have so you can have both hands to chuck at son of a bitch. Chuck the shit out of it, Joey. The damn door came right off. Anyways, hold on, Joey. Remember, we're going to do a double chuck, all right?
Okay.
So, anyways, just give me 1 second and it'll be on me. Well, Joey done chucked his microwave. I want to do a chuck into his microwave. I want to make bumper waves, as they say, or bumper microwaves.
Your bumper car microwaves.
I got this crap right here. Hope my cracker's not hanging out.
Nope. Get that glass plate out. I forgot about the one and the other.
Hey, it don't have a glass plate because Vince still got it.
Worked good. Less trouble.
How you doing? Don't record him. He don't want to be recorded, but you don't have to stop it. But yeah. Let's see if I can hit this black microwave against that white microwave, because black and white microwave lives matters. Double door slammage. But anyways, I'm gonna take over the camera because I'm pretty sure Joey would love to start it off like always, beating the shit out of it. Anyways, here's Joey's turn. Just pick it up and chuck it. He's beating it into the daggone middle there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Die, you piece of crap.
I think you've had about 2 minutes of pleasure there. I think it's about my turn. But you keep on chucking at it till you finally get tired of hitting it. You can't hardly destroy a microwave without making noise, but I apologize to my neighbors. It's still middle of the day and we'll clean up the mess. Alright, I think it's my turn. So anyways, what do you got to say about that, Joey?
No more microwave.
Yeah, it's not microwaving nothing, not even bread.
It's dead.
Guess whose turn it is? It's George's turn. Joey destroyed that microwave. But guess whose turn it is? This guy right here. This guy behind the Sons of Anarchy hat with the baseball bat, ready to beat the shit right out of that piece of shit. So anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera over to my little bro and I hope I get to smash it up. Batter up. Yeah, you know what? Thank you, United States government, for fucking us. And I hope like hell my YouTube channel picks up. But anyways, guys, I hope everybody starts looking at my videos, subscribing, hey, I would like to get across the ocean to different countries. That's where I'd like to be. And outside of the United States of America, where it sucks. Hey, the door didn't completely come off. I picked the door off that one.
Hey boy.
What? My pants?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, folks. I know my ass looks good, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to see it on the internet.
That's the end of that microwave. Oh yes. And after he's done, people, I'm gonna do some more finishing touches on the white microwave.
Hey. Hey, Grandpa style.
It caved in. It caved. Oh yeah.
People are pissed. Hey, thanks, Graham Toy Show, for letting me steal your line there. But yeah, people are pissed. Microwaves suck these days. Beast mode.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Anyways, guys. Whew.
Or I'm gonna get a few more shots in.
Joey wants a few more shots at it.
A few shots in on the black microwave and I finish the white one.
Dude, you should totally do what I did. Go a little beast mode on it and start slamming the shit out of it. Oh, beast mode! Yeah! Thanks, Gribbs Toy Show, for giving us such good catchphrases such as nailing the fuck out of it, obese mode, and people are pissed.
Thank you, AGP, for this inspiration to break this stuff.
Shoot, yeah. Angry Grandpa's like my favorite YouTuber. I think my second favorite would be Psycho Dad. The Psycho Dad just goes psycho. People are pissed.
Now run wing wang.
Right in the wing wang, he nailed it. Break that son of a bitch right there, Joey. Let's talk about that door.
Oh, that.
Break the door. Break the door. Oh, that's glass. Oh well. You alright?
Yeah.
You didn't get nothing in the eye?
Nope.
Good. I didn't know it was glass. I thought it was plastic. Oopsie doopsie.
Wailing on microwaves.
Continue welding, my friend. Hey, do a little bit more like chucking them against each other. It's gonna be bumper waves, as I call it.
Bumper microwave time again.
It's bumper wave. Knock the daggone top off of that. Knock the shit out of it, Joey. Knock the head off of it. We're enjoying our last vestiges of summer while we can before it gets cold. Cause I'm pretty sure I don't want to do smashing videos in the middle of winter.
Because they would be bad.
Yeah. But you know, if y'all want me to do smashing videos in the winter time, I will. You just had to send me the stuff because I don't know how I won't be able to find nothing. I actually got that on video. That was awesome. He's like, time to chuck it. People are pissed again. Yeah. Alright guys, I think it's time to I think Joey's got one more smash in him and I think we're about ready to call it a day. Anyways, let's get this shit cleaned up.
One more whack of black microwave. There. Now let's get this mess up.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's outro time, of course. I'm George. This is Joey. And you know what? If you like our videos, like, subscribe, favorite. You know, leave a comment down below in the or inbox me, message me, anything. You know, hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Twitter. I don't have Instagram or nothing like that. But anyways, as the old saying goes, if it fucks up, destroy it.
Death to broken electronics.
And death to communist. I'm just kidding. Death to, you know, broken electronics, as Joey says.